What if you're already sat on the growth that you want, not by adding more, but by making the most about what you already have? Well, that's the power of alignment. It releases the growth potential that's been inside your business all along. Imagine you're preparing to sell your house, for example, to move into something bigger. You don't just leave it as it is, you renovate, perhaps a lick of paint, or remove the clutter, or replace a bathroom, create a study or a small bedroom out of a small unused room. And suddenly the value increases, and sometimes by 20% or more without buying anything new. And your business is just the same. You already may be sitting on opportunities for growth. But if parts of the business are underused, cluttered, or not aligned, you're not getting the full value. Growth isn't always about new markets or new products or offers or more hustle. It's about strengthening what's already inside and making sure every part of your business is working hard enough to support your purpose. This is where resistance isn't failure. It's a signal, a sign that something isn't quite aligned and there remains an untapped potential waiting to be released. That's why at Wyseminds we use the Powerball framework. And on one side, it's your purpose, your gift to the world. And on the other is the impact you want to have and the level at which you deliver it. Connecting them are four key drivers: your team, your customer, your ways of working, and how you're living your purpose. And when one of those rooms isn't pulling its weight, maybe your ways of working are cluttered or your team's not united, growth feels stuck. And then you need to be realigning, like you're renovating your house. So here's something you can do. Walk through your business like it's your house. Which room could be working harder? Which is cluttered? Which has untapped potential? Maybe your customer connection needs refreshing. Maybe your ways of working are slowing you down or too complex. Choose one driver, one room, and ask what small change could unlock more value here. That's how you begin to release the growth that you're already sitting on. Well, if this resonates with you, subscribe for more clarity-led growth insights. And if you'd like to see where your own Powerball might be misaligned, take the free founder alignment quiz. The link is just below. And never forget, growth begins with you. And the growth you want, well, you might already be living in it. You just need to make the most of what you have.